Right, let me warn you, if you have children watching this, have them step away because they are going to want this. Check this out. I've got a paratrooper who is flying through the air on a parachute. Isn't that the coolest thing? All right, we're going to try a little demo mode. There's a button on here called demo mode. Here we go. Ooh, he's going away. Where's he going? He's doing loop-de-loops. I'm not doing anything. It's just doing the loop-de-loops here. All right, put it back into my control. Turn it back to me, past the trees. So this really cool product has 3 modes. So the first mode is you fly this little man below the little drone, little quadcopter here. There's actually 4 props on it. 1 here, 1 there, 1 over here, and 1 there. And it's got a little parachute-y thing on top, and the guy hangs below. So that's mode number 1. You can actually fly it in mode number 2, where this guy is on top. So I'm going to switch that right now. All right, so here I have mode number 2, and you can move the little guy's arms any way you wish. I'm going to put him up like, yeah, victory! And you have a little LED light here, and your power button is right here. Turn this on, turn on the controller, and let's get our little guy flying. There he is. He's still going around here. Look at him. Flying. He's like some Avenger. All right, this thing here does little tricks. So let me try the trick right here. I'll put it over towards me. There's a little circle mode here. And here we go. Do another flip. There we go. That's pretty cool. Let's try to flip the other way. And coming around this way. The battery time's not too bad with this thing. This is still the first battery, and I've been flying around the backyard for a while, and you get 3 batteries with this. There's also speed mode, so that's first speed, that's faster, and there's full speed. So there he goes. Now look at him whip around the backyard here. That's a little too fast for the backyard. My little guy's just cruising. So if you have any children watching this right now, I'm sure they're going to want this, and it is extremely inexpensive. And I'll bring them down for a landing. There's a little land button on here. You know, hit the land button. And it comes down to my hands as I almost drop it. I almost forgot as I was landing it. There's props on the bottom, but good thing they turn off as soon as they touch. So that's the second mode. And the third mode would be, you just basically take this guy out, pull forward, pull its legs out, and there you go. Third mode is you just fly it with nothing, and it will fly around. But I think it looks cooler with the little guy. All right, I'm gonna put links below where you can find this on the AliExpress website. It is massively inexpensive. And let me just show you what you get in the box. So watch the unboxing right now. It's really fast. And now a quick unboxing of the E019 Air Force. First thing in the box would be the user manual. And look at how thick this is. It's massive. Well, it's in various languages. That's why, but it is kind of detailed. It's not bad. Looking at the drone, it's a nice little green color, and you have an on-off switch right here. You can see the props are on the bottom and on the top. So they're on both sides. In the front, you have an LED light, prop guards all around. Next, you have the ultra small controller. You have the up, down, take off and land button right here. Looks like that might be the power button when you put batteries in. And you have your trim controls right here and your joysticks. Not much else except for the buttons on the front. And the controller requires 2 AAA batteries, not included. Also included is half businessman, half combat man. Incredibly, you get 3 batteries with this. They're 1-cell batteries and they are 300 milliamps each. USB battery charger, also included are 4 spare props, tiny Phillips screwdriver, and finally a plasticky parachute. So yes, really cool drone, very different. I always like things that are different, and I love the fact that it's so inexpensive for the coolness that it provides, and any child would have a blast with this. So order it for your kids or your grandkids, and it'd make a great gift. Links are below. And yeah, so thanks for watching this video. Hope you enjoyed it. Remember to give it a thumbs up, and there'll be more cool videos in the future. Take care.